Yeah, hi everyone, this is Sam. Now, today I'll be showing you how to make a playlist on YouTube. Now, a lot of people really don't understand what is playlist, what does a playlist do. So I'm gonna do a quick and a brief explanation around what playlist does, why you need a playlist for your YouTube and your YouTube channel. If you're here to watch how to customize your channel or how to upload a video on YouTube, I advise you go and do that now. And remember, subscribe and click on the notification bell when I put up a video. So let's talk about this. Look at this very clear. You have several videos, then you have them arranged, look nice, look fantabulous, look amazing, which means you can arrange your video and give it a name. So question is what the use of a playlist is RC, just like you arranging your collections of video in order upon one another. Think of it as a music playlist. You might create maybe on Spotify, Apple Music, or for your video. So what you're doing is you are just make it so easy for your videos. You have a name. If you have a cake industry or you are creating a tutorial, for example, you're creating a tutorial how to bake cake. Maybe you have a video for your training. You have a video for some do it yourself, and you have multiple videos past corresponding to this particular name. Maybe you have a multiple video for what you are doing your training school. You have multiple video for introduction to cake baking. You have another multiple video for showing people how to bake cake in different style. You can have them in playlists. So how, because what you're doing is why it's very fun to curating content and also enhance your daily and also enhance your customer, and it helps to captivate people. I need to just come to your channel and see all videos you've done on training or knowing how to bake cake or how to do it myself or guide to create a particular type of cake, and it's so easy. They can just pop up on those stuff and watch every video on that particular playlist. Now also, for example, you have a product features or you have to highlight different features in your video, a playlist will works for you. You have a video testimonial that's so much, you can just have a playlist for them. So when I come to your channel, what I see is just a playlist about your testimonial, a playlist about this. Also maybe an FAQ playlist to share with new users that on board. So a whole lot of things you can do with playlist. So guys, let's get to action. Let me show you how you can do that using my YouTube channel. All right, guys. Yes, it's my YouTube channel, and I have a whole lot of things. If you come to my channel, you see tutorial, a quick one with Sam, digital insight with Sam podcast. So when you come here, you watch our videos and podcasts, you watch our video playlist, and a whole lot of that. So what you can do is when you make sure you have a video, you are adding the playlist. One way, watch my how to upload video on YouTube. While you're doing that, you can create a fresh video and create a playlist for that. So today I'm going to show you, I have several videos here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a video and create a playlist for them. For example, how to upload a video to YouTube. I just tap on the three icons here, then I click save to playlist. Now, good. I have several playlists here. I can add it to the end of those playlists or even the three of them, or I can just create a new playlist. So let's just say YouTube tutorial. Sorry for that. YouTube tutorial. And good, it should be public. Yes, and which means I'll be having several videos. We're gonna add to that. Then I click on create. Then let's say this is another video. I just tap on this. Then I click save to playlist. Same thing. You see the YouTube tutorial is here already. I tap on that and I click on create new playlist. Now okay, it's already here. So we're not creating another one. We just put on YouTube and we click on create. Okay, because I click on create, so you can close that hub and do it again. Save to playlist. Remember, I'm adding to YouTube tutorial, or I can create a new one. And all right, okay, that's removed from tutorial, and it's on my YouTube tutorial. And that is also, let me show you what we just created right now. You go to playlist on your page, and look at this. I have the YouTube tutorial here, so I can click on view playlist, and there you have my two videos that is added on my page. So easy, so nice, and that takes you to my page. Check out my YouTube channel. If I like, all right, this is just a video. Or if I like, I can decide to add it here. So we have two videos. I just go to my customized channel, which is good. Then I come here to add a section. I want to add that two playlists to my playlist. Good. Add a section. Then I'm going to click, okay, a single playlist or horizontal, my playlist. Then choose a playlist. If I have the URL, but if not, I can just tap on my playlist, find a playlist. Then the YouTube video is here. Then I click on done, and the YouTube tutorials are here. If you reload on your page or you go to your channel, you are going to have that playlist arranged as you want it. Okay, right, this is going to load, this is going to play, because I make it so easy that when you come to my page, you watch this video first. Okay, and tutorial detail inside YouTube video. Well, so that if I want it to go up, what I need to do, all right, go back to my customized channel, and then I come here, I tap it here to go up, then it's here, that is all, and that is all. So it's so easy to create a playlist. You can go to your fresh playlist and create a new one. Yes, you can go to your playlist and create a new playlist here. Just click on new playlist, give different name to your playlist. Just say tutorial. Sorry, get that wrong. Pick tutorial, good one. Then you click on create, and when that reload, you're gonna find cake tutorial. So here you can add more videos to that. You can change the name. You can put the description. You can add videos that you have to your page so easily. If you have the video, you can search for it. If you have the URL, you can put it there, or you go to your own YouTube video and taps on let's say this and this and this. Then I'm going to add it to the cake tutorial. So I'm showing you two formats here, and there we have three videos arranged automatically to the cake tutorial. So if we go back to your channel, let's go back to our channel. Okay, let's just meet this. Go to the channel. You're not going to see it there because you didn't customize it here. But if you go to your playlist, you're going to see the cake tutorial video here on your playlist. So you have multiple videos. You can arrange them well, arrange them nicely. And now when I come to your page, same way I show you how to bring it to your customized channel, you can do the same thing for your cake tutorial. And then if I come to your page, I'll be able to see the arrangement of your video according to how you want me to see it. So it's so easy that I won't just be going to videos but watching everything. Now I can come to your page and see your videos arranged accordingly in fine and customized. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and click on the notification button.